Hello everyone, this is Blue JKS back with another video. Today I am going to be playing Smash Bros. With the arcade stick. So I haven't played with this in a while. This is going to be a fun video to make. And I'm thinking about playing with some fighting game characters. Maybe all of them. So let's get right into the video. So first I'm going to show you the controls. So let's get right to that. Okay, so with the arcade stick, it only goes in one direction, so you can't do it slow. It will always go into one direction because you can't move it slow. But it is really fun playing your favorite fighting game. So like Dragon Ball, Street Fighter, Tekken, SNK, any of the fighting games. Okay, next up is the button inputs. So these are mixed up. It's like your controller, so you don't have to worry about these because obviously top right is going to be... Oh wait, this is top L. Okay, so right is going to be R, then left is going to be L. That is obviously going to be ZR, and that is going to be ZL. But with these buttons, like your usual, A is right here instead of the B. A and X are going to be B. And X and Y are swapped, but you don't have to worry about those while playing Smash Bros. These are normal. Alrighty, so like in the intro, I am with Steve. And we're going to see how a regular character does when playing in a match of Smash Bros. So let's see what happens. Oh yeah, I forgot, I don't have jump on. Alright, so this is B. This is A. That's jump. Oh yeah, I forgot. I need to press the buttons to be able to... Yeah, like that, instead of doing the hop jump. I'm so used to hopping in fighting games that I'm thinking, hey, the stick should go up to jump the character. Alrighty, so... Ah, darn. Alrighty. Oh, no, not again. Alright, so... Alright, so I'm gonna try and get it to this part. Yeah, we did it! Alrighty. Ah, darn. Hey! Alrighty, now let's go to a fighting game character. Alrighty, so I'm with Ryu here, and let's see if we can do an input. Start. Ah, darn. Yeah! So, unlike with your original controller, you have to debuff your speed before doing a tilt. So, like up, there's my tilts. There's strong up. And there's light up. And then when you do this, I recommend jumping while moving forward to try and debuff the move if you're gonna do a tilt. But you can also do like other things like special or like attack and like others. But since these characters can move back, you can do that. Let's see if we can get a circulus. Oh, no. Ah, wasn't paying attention to the ledge. Let's see. Alrighty. Yes! There we go. Let's see if we can do it again. Yes! Yes! There we go. I don't know what that move is called, but I just call it Seculus. There we go. I tried to get a spike. Alrighty, so there we go. Get out of here. I missed it. Yeah! Alright, so I'm gonna go into a couple of matches, and with every fighting game character, Ryu, Ken, Terry, and Kazuya, and maybe a mystery character at the end, to see which one feels more nicer with the arcade stick. So let's get right to that. Alrighty, so we're at the character select screen. Alrighty, so let's go with Ryu with a random CPU, and let's see who we get. Ice Climbers. They're about to get turned into ice, being frozen in shock from the loss. Come on, Ice Climbers, can you let it down? Maybe we need to melt ya. Oh, no. Dang it. Shoryuken is hard to do with an arcade stick. Got it. Already. Please get him knocked out. It didn't kill him. It didn't KO him. Come on. Alrighty. I'm gonna try and stick with the specials. Yeah. That's what happened. And that's what happened to me. Oh, no. No! Yeah! Oh my god, he got killed from his own final smash! No. Well, Ryu, everybody! That's Ryu. And now let's get to a different character. Let's go with Ken. It's gonna be difficult putting in Shoryuken because he's got that kick. Wait, no! Well, so much for a first impression. How? No, get over here. Okay, I'm gonna get 3 stock by an inkling. There we go. And it's the one that's up close. That is what I am talking about. Okay. Wait, no. What for the disrespect? You know, I feel like we should do a redo with Terry. I feel like we should do a redo with Terry. Let's do Terry. Oh wait, I said Terry and not Ken. I meant Ken. Yeah, I feel like Ken needs a revive or something. Like a comeback. Oh yeah, I forgot about that one. Wait, what? Get over here. No. There we go. I finally do a Shoryuken. Oh my goodness! I thought it was done. I thought it was done. And I'm about to be done soon. I'm about to get. Samus is burning me. Come on, Samus. I should have never asked. Yeah. So, dang it. There we go. Okay, all I need is just a Shoryuken, please. Nope. Instead. Oh. Yeah! That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm looking for. Okay. There we go. I knew I had to jump, but I forgot which button it was to jump. Oh. Come on. And that was a fail. 10 times most failed. Oh. And I did a Tatsumaki instead. Okay, now it's the final one. Who will be the big kahuna? And it's not gonna be me anytime soon. Oh, yes! Yes, get him, Ken. All right, time to finish this. Yeah! Yes, Ken, go! Yes! And that's game, everybody. Woo! Ken came back with a comeback. Yeah! Alrighty, next up is Terry. Alright, let's see if we can get a win on Terry first try. And I doubt that. Ridley has joined the fray. Okay. Nope. What is... Burn. Okay, so Ken's input of Ryu's is power dunk. Okay, I need to... Oh! No. That we will not be doing that. We will not. Oh, I did a Mighty Tetsu. I meant to do a Rapico. Dang it. Yeah, we doing it. Come on. Ridley with that move. Come on. Alright. I meant to dodge. Nope, nope, nope. Ah. And we had to go too. I could have used one of my inputs to fly him off the stage or something. Oh no! And I'm... Oh. Am I gone? Oh, he missed! I was so lucky with that. Buster! Yeah! We getting it! We getting it! I want to just see if I can do Terry's power dunk. Can I do Terry's power dunk? Yes! Yes! I meant to do one of those. Come here, Ridley. I got a gift for you. It's a knuckle sand. Ah, dang it. Go. No. Ah, we had to go. This is my last life, folks. He had that parry! He's prepared! Not as prepared as I am for doing this. Oh. And I'm gone. And that's Terry, everybody. Alright, we got one more fighter to go, and that is Kazuya. Let's see. Now, how about for this, we go with the Mishima Dojo. Okay. Let's see. Alright, who are they going to put up against Kazuya? Pit. Obviously had to be Pit. It had to be Pit. Oh! What? Okay, we get a Pit. You're mad, okay? You wanted to have a day off, but yet you didn't want to be here. I get it. You could just go home then. Yeah. You can say I pit him in his place. Oh shoot. Yeah, Pit. Who's living now, huh? Nope. I keep doing that. I'm trying to do like that one. Okay, maybe I can try to do that one that I really like. Oh, and I had the smash too. You know what, Pit? I'm after you now. Wait, what? Why? Alright. What? Yeah, get out of here, Pit. Get out. Get out of here. Oh. Pit is gonna win. He is going to win. I'm just saying. Oh, dang it. I thought that was shield. Shoot. Dang, how come I can't parry like the CPUs? Right? Yes! Yes! We still got a chance! We still got a chance, everybody! We still got a chance! We got it! We're winning! Let's go! Not only did we avoid Pit's Final Smash, but we also finished him off with ours. Let's go! That's right, that's right. Alrighty. Okay, for our mystery character, let's go with a random Dreamland. Alright, let's go back and choose random. There we go. And now let us choose our mystery character. So we're going with a random. And let's see who we're put up against and who we're gonna be. We're Pac-Man up against Pichu. The best matchup ever. Okay, so I'm off first with one of those, trying to waka waka. Waka 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 waka. Waka waka. No. How did all three of my smash attacks did not hit? Oh, I'm trying to eat. I must eat pellets. Yeah, get out. Get out. Oh, that was a chance for a smash attack. Yeah, get out of here, Pichu. Get out of here. You're not invited. You're not invited to my slumber party. Alrighty. Come on. Yeah. Can we get him? Can we get him? Can we get... He lived. Alrighty, Pichu, that's it. I had enough. Time for the smash. Final smash. Wait, what? Yes! He just walked right into that. I was gonna be like, what? Oh no, he's got one. He's got one. No. Yeah. Get out. How? Yeah, get him. Get him, Pac-Man. The pack is back. Pack is back. Alright, go. You ain't about to get me this time, Pichu. I know your tricks. Pichu, wait. Wait, Pichu. Pichu, I just realized you look like a pellet. I got some ghosts to chomp down. I need to eat you. No. These ghosts won't eat themselves. Okay, perfect run. Perfect run. And that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you're new. And give a big thumbs up on the video if you liked it. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a great day.